Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It's an American designer and filmmaker, founded his eponymous fashion brand in 2006. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Tom Ford, Tom Ford, Tom Ford, Tom Ford. Tom Ford is celebrated for its luxurious clothing lines and stylish accessories. The brand is also renowned for its high-end eyewear and fragrances, which combine classic design with modern sophistication. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Tom Ford, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.